Geometric design. Recognizing and analyzing geometric shapes. In this video, we will able to analyze and recognize fundamental plane and solid geometric shape. Geometric shape have fascinated many people throughout history in the field of art, science, engineering, interior designing, and many other professions. Mathematicians have constructed ideal representation of this shape and developed methods in obtaining the measurement of lengths which are one dimensions, areas which are two dimension, and volumes which are three dimensions. Let's start with a polygon which is a two-dimensional shape which is straight side. It can be classified according to the number of its sides, such as three-sided shape called triangle and four-sided shape called quadrilateral. Polygons are either simple or complex. A simple polygon has only one boundary and never crosses over itself, while a complex polygon intersects itself. Polygons are either concave or convex. A convex polygon has no angles pointing inward. More precisely, no internal angles can be more than 180 degrees. If any internal angles are greater than 180 degrees, then it is a concave. The interior angles of a polygon are the angles inside the shape. In general, for a polygon with n sides, the sum of the internal angles is equal to the product of the quantity n minus 2 and 180 degrees. And if the polygon is regular, the measurement of each angle is equal to the product of the quantity n minus 2 and 180 degrees divided by n, where n is the number of sides in the polygon. The sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. The interior and exterior angle of its vertex on a polygon add up to 180 degrees. Let's try to solve this angle. First, we have the triangle, which has three sides. Let's find its sum of internal angles and measurement of each angle for regular polygon using the given expression. Calculate the expression in the parentheses first according to the order of operation. So, 3, which is the number of sides, minus 2 equals 1. Then multiply the result, which is 1 by 180 degrees, which gives us the answer of 180 degrees, which is the sum of internal angles. Then divide the result by 3, which is the number of sides. So the result of the expression is 60 degrees, which is the measurement of each angle for a regular polygon. We can have the answer to the other shape using this expression. Let's now move into solid. A solid is the geometry of three-dimensional space, the kind of space we live in. It is called three-dimensional or 3D because there are three dimensions: width, depth, and height. Solids have properties such as volume and surface area. There are two main types of solids, polyhedra and non-polyhedra. A polyhedron is a solid made of flat surface. Each surface is a polygon, like the Platonic solids, prisms, and pyramids. Non-polyhedra are solids with curved surface, or a mix of curved and flat surface, such as spheres, cylinders, cones, and torus. Platonic solid is a convex polyhedron whose faces are all congruent convex regular polygons. None of its faces intersect except at their edges, and it has the same number of faces that meet at each of its vertices. There are 5 Platonic solids: tetrahedron, cube, octahedron, dodecahedron, and icosahedron. In Platonic solid, there is a formula called Euler's formula. Euler's formula deals with three-dimensional shape called polyhedra. It is stated that F plus pi plus V minus E is equals to 2, where F is the number of faces, V is the number of vertices, and E is the number of edges. This formula works only on solids that do not have any holes and do not intersect itself. It cannot also be made up of two pieces stuck together, such as two cubes stuck together by one vertex. The Euler's formula works on the Platonic solids. Let's verify the Euler's formula for each of the regular polyhedron by supplying the necessary information in this table. In the Platonic solid, the tetrahedron has 4 faces, 4 vertices, and 6 edges. We can see that the faces, which are 4 plus vertices, which are 4 minus edges, which are 6. Therefore, we have 2 as the answer. For the other polyhedron, we also get the number answer of 2. Prism is a polyhedron whose sides are all flat. It has the same cross-section all along its length, and its shape is polygon. All the prisms are classified as either regular prisms because the cross-section of each is a regular polygon, or a regular prism because its cross-section is an irregular polygon. Pyramid is a polyhedron made by connecting a base to an apex. There are many types of pyramids, and they are made after the shape of their base. Cone is made by rotating a triangle. The triangle has to be a right-angled triangle, and it gets rotated around one of its two short sides. The side it rotates around in the axis of the cone. It has a flat base and has one curved side. Because of its curved surface, it's not polyhedron. Cylinder is three-dimensional solid object bounded by a curved surface and two parallel circles and equal size at the ends. The curved surface is formed by all the line segments joining corresponding points of the two parallel circles. Because of its curved surface, it is not a polyhedron. A sphere is a perfectly round object in a three-dimensional space. It is non-polyhedron because the surface is completely round. It is perfectly symmetrical with no edges or vertices. All points on the surface are the same distance from the center. Torus is solid formed by revolving a small circle along a line made by another circle. It has no edges or vertices and therefore torus is not a polyhedron. And that is the end of this video. So thank you for watching.